Another oldie but goodie na sunscreen na I think sulit pa rin bilhin ngayon is the Derm Action Plus by Watsons. Ito yung Advanced Sun Water Drop Cream Gel na variant. If you're into sunscreens for a while na, most likely nakita mo na itong product na to kasi nirelease to I think mga 1 or 2 years ago. And I can't forget this product kasi ito yung isa sa mga sunscreen na kapag nag-announce na mag-release sila ng stock, nag-aabang talaga ako sa mga online platforms. Hindi na ako nag-aabang sa physical store kasi wala talagang display na umaabot dito sa Davao, guys. So, always ako nag-aabang sa online platforms para maka-check out lang kasi ang daming may gusto nito dahil nga maganda ang formula at the same time mura. So, ang texture po ng product na to ay cream gel pero when you blend it sa face, para siyang nagiging water droplets, guys. It's very easy to blend. It's super lightweight, fast absorbing, hindi malagkit, tapos wala siyang white cast. Ang finish niya ay semi-matte. This can be used under makeup and pwede po itong gamitin ng both adults and teenagers. This is a hybrid type na klase na sunscreen, meaning meron po itong both chemical and mineral na sunscreen filters. And yes, broad spectrum po ito na klase. And for your reference, guys, ilalagay ko po dito sa screen ang 4 sunscreen filters na ginamit po nila sa sunscreen na to. And based on my research, guys, itong sunscreen filters na to ay magaganda, strong, and very advanced. In addition, guys, itong product na to, this is dermatologically tested, fragrance-free. Price is around 399 pesos for 40 ml. This is made in Thailand, guys. And I can highly recommend this to those na merong oily skin.